Hi friends, good morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So in this video, I will be telling you how you get the cooperation of the other people, guys. This is very much important to know how to get the cooperation, because every time we think like whatever we are suggesting for people, it's best for them, right? Because always we think of other people, but they may think that we are thinking for ourselves, we are not thinking for them. Okay, ऐसा कई बार होता है कि मतलब हम उनके बारे में अच्छा सोचते हैं, लेकिन उन्हें लगता है कि मैं सेल्फिश मोटिव्स के लिए उन्हें कह रहा हूँ। ऐसा लगता है ना कई बार। ऐसा आप रिलेशनशिप में भी देखेंगे कि अगर आप किसी को बोलोगे कि मतलब आप यहाँ पे चले जाओ शॉपिंग करने, यहाँ पे आपको अच्छे चीज़ें मिलेंगी, तो वो कई बार नहीं मानता। उसे वो साइकोलॉजिकली सोचता है कि ये ऐसा मुझे क्यों बोल रहा है, ज़रूर इसका कुछ मोटिव होगा, इसमें ज़रूर इसे कुछ कमीशन मिल रहा होगा, ज़रूर इसे कुछ मिल रहा होगा, तभी ये मुझे ऐसे बोल रहा है जाने के लिए उधर। तो हमेशा हर आदमी का माइंडसेट ऐसा डेवलप हो चुका है, मतलब जाने अनजाने में, मतलब बचपन से ही लेकर अभी तक में अनजाने में ऐसा एक माइंडसेट डेवलप हो गया कि भले ही लोग उसके भले के लिए बातें कहें कि ये चीज़ उनके लिए अच्छा है, लेकिन लोग सुनते नहीं हैं। ऐसा होता है ना आपके साथ भी फ्रेंड्स? लोग क्यों नहीं सुन पाते, क्यों नहीं लोग सुनते? क्योंकि उन लोग का माइंड एक तरह से बंद रहता है। उन लोग के माइंड में हज़ार क्वेश्चंस चल रहे होते हैं कि इसमें कुछ इसका मोटिव तो नहीं है, ये अपने फ़ायदे के लिए तो नहीं बोल रहा है, ऐसा कुछ ऐसा चीज़ हम लोग के दिमाग में चलते रहता है। और ये जायज़ भी है, क्योंकि ये बचपन से चला आ रहा है और अभी तक हम लोग यही चीज़ सीखते आ रहे हैं। तो अगर कोई बीच में से बंदा आकर के बोले कि मतलब ये मैं आपके भले के लिए कह रहा हूँ, तो हम लोग के दिमाग में चलता है कि इसमें इसका भी कुछ भला है, तभी हम मेरे बारे में ऐसा सोच रहे हैं। और नो डाउट ऐसा कई बार होते हैं, कई बार ऐसे इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज़ होते हैं, कई बार ऐसे प्लान्स होते हैं, जो स्कीम्स होते हैं, जो लोग हमें कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा ड्रीम दिखा करके बेच देते हैं, लेकिन एक्चुअल में लॉन्ग टर्म में उन्हीं को कमीशन ज़्यादा मिलता है। तो हमें इस चीज़ को सोच समझ करके ध्यान से सुनना चाहिए और समझना चाहिए कि क्या ये मेरे लिए सही है कि नहीं। ये चीज़ समझना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है फ्रेंड्स। तो हाउ विल यू गेट द कोऑपरेशन? कोऑपरेशन आपको कैसे मिलेगा? कोऑपरेशन पाने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? सामने वाले के अंदर से निकलवाना होगा कि क्या ये उनके लिए सही है। उनके अंदर से निकलवाओ कि क्या ये मेरे लिए सही होगा। वो से खुद बोलने दो कि हाँ ये चीज़ें मुझे करना चाहिए। फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल टेल यू अ स्टोरी। जैसे कई बार क्या हो रहा था, एक कंपनी में मतलब सेल्स काफ़ी नीचे जा रही थी, मतलब ईयर ऑन ईयर देखा जा रहा था कि नेट सेल्स फॉर ए कंपनी वाज डिक्रीजिंग बाई 6 to 7% एवरी ईयर। ऐसा देखा जा रहा था कि नेट सेल्स कंपनी का डाउन चला जा रहा है, ईयर ऑन ईयर 6 to 7% का डाउनफॉल हो रहा है। तो मतलब उन्होंने जो कंपनी जो उसका जो मैनेजर था, सेल्स मैनेजर था, उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ सोचा कि क्यों ना मतलब सेल्स डाउन जा रहा, मतलब लोगों का इंटरेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब जो एम्प्लॉयज़ काम कर रहे हैं वो अच्छे से काम नहीं कर पा रहे, वो अपना बेस्ट डिलीवर नहीं कर पा रहे, मे बी वी आर लैकिंग विथ समवेयर। तो उन्होंने सोचा कि कुछ ऐसा एक्सपेरिमेंट किया जाए। उन्होंने बोर्ड मंगवा के बोला कि मुझे आप बोलिए कि कैसे ये इम्प्रूवमेंट किया जा सकता है, कैसे नेट सेल्स, नेट टर्नओवर कंपनी का बढ़ाया जा सकता है ईयर ऑन ईयर, क्योंकि हम देख रहे हैं कि फॉर पास्ट 2 to 3 ईयर्स नेट सेल्स डाउन जा रहा है। तो आप बताइए, आप सजेस्ट कीजिए कि क्या ऐसा किया जा सकता है जिससे हम लोग आपके साथ कोऑपरेट करें और आप भी हम लोग के साथ इक्वली कोऑपरेट करके कंपनी को आगे बढ़ने में हम लोग ऐसा टीम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। क्या ऐसा किया जा सकता है? तो सब कोई तुरंत आंसर दे रहा है कि वी शुड बी लॉयल, वी शुड डू हार्ड वर्क, वी शुड डू 10 to 12 hours ऑफ वर्क, वी शुड बी डेडिकेटेड फॉर द कस्टमर्स एंड फॉर द क्लाइंट्स, एंड वी शुड थिंक अबाउट देम कि व्हाट दे एक्चुअली नीड, एंड वी शुड डिलीवर आवर लेवल बेस्ट टू देम, व्हाट दे एक्चुअली नीड, okay, what they actually deserve. We need to understand their point of view. These type of answers all were giving. Okay, so जो एरिया मैनेजर थे, जो सेल्स मैनेजर थे, वो बोला कि ठीक है, whatever you are telling is correct, I will cooperate with you, can you implement what all things you told just now? तो एम्प्लॉयज़ बोले ओके, वी विल डिलीवर आवर लेवल बेस्ट, वी जस्ट नीड योर कोऑपरेशन। तो समटाइम्स सम पर्सन नीड इज अप्रिसिएशन, सम पर्सन नीड ऑनेस्ट अप्रिसिएशन कि वट एवर दे आर डूइंग they should get that appreciation, like he or she does the best job, so he should get appreciation ki for this whole month his efforts were the best. We should appreciate them for that. Okay, sometimes we don't get appreciation, so that's why we feel demotivated and we are not focused onto our work. So he has observed that thing and he changed the policy of the work. Okay, so he thought to make them come out of their ideas. So people are telling this thing, these ideas should be implemented. So as soon as the ideas get started implementing, friends, what happened? Within 2 to 3 months, the net sales month on month basis starts increasing by 1 to 2% every month. Okay, so yearly revenue got increased by whooping 20 to 25%. Just imagine the net sales turnover from past 3 years was down by 6%. but next year, after this motivation, next year it increased by 20%. So what you understood by this story? This was a real story actually. So what do you understand by this true story? So this story lets us think that people don't want to get sold, they want to buy. This is very much important thing. You can't tell anybody you go and buy that thing. People don't want to take orders, because if you are taking the orders, means somebody will think like I am his slave. Okay, people want to buy by himself, by his own decision. People want to take their own decision. Okay, people want to take their own decision. They don't want to consider anybody's order or advice, okay, until unless they are very close to them. So this should be remembered in our mind. Let them come out of the decision. Just help them. What you actually need, what is required, you only tell me. Let them come out with ideas and let them implement it. You just become the pathway for that. You just become the mediator for that. You just bridge the gap. What customer need and what employees want. You just bridge the gap between the two and act as a mediator. Don't order anybody. Just tell them to come up with their ideas, and when people will come up with their own ideas, they will deliver with their level best and give honest appreciation to people. Okay, so it will help them to give their best. And same thing happens with customers as well. Okay, what happens with customers? You just tell them, no, just go and buy this product, it's good for your health. Why do you think this product is good for health? He will think like this. Why is telling me like that? Maybe he will be getting something. Okay, there are hundreds and thousands of other products, but why he is suggesting me this product only? He will think like that. So you just ask him questions, ask him or her questions. Okay, what is most important thing for you as of now? Okay, so with respect to time, money, career, relationship, what is the most important thing for you as of now? And why have you selected that thing? Why have you selected that thing? And slowly try to change his way of thinking, try to change his point of view towards what you are thinking. If you drive their point of view, if you drive their mindset towards your way of thinking, then you will see that the other person will see what you will see. You understood? Whatever we are seeing, the other person may not be seeing that thing. What you can do, you just tell them, you just try to change his mindset by asking few questions which is having yes response. Like, do you want that thing? He will say yes. Do you have some dreams? They will say yes. Then ask long-ended question. What is most important thing for you as of now? He will tell something. Just ask why have you chosen that. Slowly, when you drive his mindset towards your way of thinking, then what will happen? Then he will start able to see what you will see, and then he will give the best result for his company. Same thing happens with customers. Same thing happens in relationship as well. In relationship, sometimes argument happens at a very high level. Why it happens? Because both participants, both the person are not coming to a proper conclusion. All are trying to prove their own point. All are trying to prove that they are good. Whatever they are telling is they are right. But nobody tries to understand the other person's point of view. We have to understand what other person want to say. If you can understand that, then both will get cooperated. Just try to take the message out from their mind. Try to accept them the mistake. Let them accept. Don't tell कि you are making the mistake. Try to understand. Don't tell कि you are making the mistake. Make them realize that you have done the mistake. Make them realize. This is the sweetest way to make anybody accept their own mistake and to continue the relationship for a longer period of time. Okay, there is a very much important secret which I am telling you, friends. It is very much important, friend. It is the very much important way to get the cooperation among all the people which you are living with. Okay, because you are surrounded by egoistic people. You may never know who will take in with their ego. Okay, so this thing we have to implement it in a proper manner, because if you implement it like this, if you just tell them to come up with their own ideas, then what will happen? Their egos will be also down. Their mindset will be think like he is thinking for me genuinely, because you are taking genuine interest in other person, and you will also get the satisfaction that he understood what I was trying to tell him or her. Okay, so implement it, and I will see you in the next video. So please like and subscribe my channel if you like it. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Cheers.